begin the ceremony, we will start by honoring the ancestors, the parents here today, and those that have passed on.
You know the divine's plan for me. Direct me to the right choices. I am grateful to know you and you me. With love and respect, thank you.
In marriage, the little things are the bigger things. It is establishing a relationship in which the independence is equal, dependence is mutual, and the obligation is reciprocal. It is not only marrying the right partner, it is being the right partner.
This union is made in heart and in spirit. Look at one another and remember this moment in time.
We had only met once, but we must have been written in the stars, because as fate would have it, we would meet again more than a decade later. As the song says, you are everything I asked for in my prayers, so I know that my angels brought you to my life. I choose you this day and every day as my husband. This I vow as long as we both shall live and love.
My plan was to never get married again. But God, His plan for me was you. You are my best friend. You make me laugh. You make me think. And above all, you make me happy. I promise to love you through whatever God has for our life, and to be here for you no matter what. I also will thank God for all the blessings He has for us as we embark on our new life's journey together forever.
Do you understand and accept this responsibility? And do you promise to do your very best each day to create a loving, healthy, and happy marriage?
I do.
I do.
May these rings serve to remind you of the unbroken circle of unending love.
With this ring,
I give you my promise
to honor you,
to be faithful to you,
to support you,
and to share my love and life
with you, and always.
forever.
And now, by the power vested in me by the state of Illinois, I witness and affirm your union of love and now pronounce you husband and wife. Chico, you may now kiss your lovely bride. As Keema and Chico jump the broom, they physically and spiritually cross the threshold into the land of matrimony. 1, 2, 3, jump! There it is. It is my pleasure to introduce to you Mr. and Mrs. Adrian Kirkland.
I love you both very dearly. And I just want to let you know, Mommy, that I'm so proud of you. And you've raised two amazing human beings with me and Ashanti. So seeing you now happy with someone else makes us really happy. So just know that.
Here's to the past for all you've learned.
Here's to the present for all that you share.
Here's to the future for all you have to look forward to.
Your husband, hard-working man.
Yes.
Loyal, damn good man. and a real good friend, man. I love you.
Wonderful, wonderful.
So, everybody, if you got your glasses, raise them. So we salute.
Today, we celebrate you two, the bride and the groom, Chico and Keema.
Cheers.
Thank you.
Cheers.
Thank you.
First of all, I'd like to thank all of our guests and our friends and family who came out today, not only in person, but virtually. And, you know, we've been through a lot in the last year and a half with the COVID pandemic and everything. And we're so glad that you all came out to celebrate with us today, and those that's online that's celebrating with us today. I'd like to thank you, and I appreciate each and every one of you, and I love you all.
Yes, we do. We love all of you all. We're so blessed for each and every person, virtually and here in person. We thank you all so much, and all the love and support that we've gotten over. Throughout the pandemic, and just keeping us lifted up in prayer and in spirit for all the support that we've gotten. We're just so blessed and so grateful for everybody.
Yes.
So we want to say thank you for coming out today. Thank you for being with us and enjoying our special day. We couldn't have asked for it to be better. And we are going to end with our special dance to close out.
All right.
All right. Thank you, guys.
All right.
Love you.